guys, I just got my exhaust leak fixed. So now wait till you hear how beautiful this thing sounds when it fires up and when it runs. There's no crazy loud. It's so much better. And it's got its power back. There was a big power gap with the exhaust leak. Listen to that baby. I like a quiet motorcycle because they're loud enough, these bikes. You don't need it to be that loud, you know what I mean? So we gonna ride out with this now. You gonna hear the difference probably. If you've ever seen my videos, you're gonna be like, wow, that's so much quieter. Ready? Sounds so much better. Wow. Every time I ride now. Hey, listen, don't let a mechanic tell you you have to replace the whole exhaust if you got a small leak away from the headers. If it's far enough from the headers, you could always weld that shit. Listen, ready? Here we go. And no more backfire. Every time I let go of the throttle, RPMs fall. It's bop, 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 bop. All right, later, guys.